Good evening. This is CTV News for Tuesday, May 1st. I'm Rochelle Metzger. Thanks for joining us tonight. Attorney General Doug Gansler is asking the Maryland Court of Appeals to review its ruling on DNA collection. A recent decision prohibits law enforcement officials from collecting DNA samples from anyone arrested for a violent crime. If the court declines to reconsider, Gansler says he'll take his appeal to the Supreme Court. Meanwhile, a spokesperson for the Prince George's Police Department offered this statement today.
While the Prince George's County Police Department strongly supports the Attorney General's efforts, we are bound, in the meantime, to comply with the Court of Appeals ruling.
State's Attorney Angela also Brooks tells CTV that since 2009, the county has solved 9 cases using DNA evidence. Well, opening statements begin in the retrial of Tamara Jackson of Greenbelt, one of 2 women accused in a March 2010 chemical attack. The 31-year-old faces a number of charges, including assault, reckless endangerment, and possession of a deadly weapon with intent to injure. Jackson is accused of being the mastermind behind an assault on a mother and daughter in Oxon Hill. Victims Katrina Watts and her young daughter Tania were left with chemical burns on parts of their bodies. A judge declared a mistrial back in April after initially allowing Katrina Watts to sit in the courtroom before testifying, and then he later reversed his decision. Well, Starbucks employees get the scare of their lives when an armed gunman enters the coffee shop and robs them. The incident happened last night just before 8 p.m. on Annapolis Road in New Carrollton. No one was injured and police are still looking for the suspect. Anyone with information on this case is asked to call the anonymous Crime Solvers hotline at 1-866-411-TIPS. Well, we are just over 1 month away from seeing the grand opening of Maryland's newest casino. The facility is located next to Arundel Mills Mall. Today, the county executive and project developer spoke about final construction and traffic changes to the site. Meanwhile, the debate over a proposed casino in Prince George's continues. Some supporters of the Arundel facility say that's a bad idea.
Chance, like all the other of the 5 original facilities, deserves a chance to get up and running and see how they do before we add another facility, which will definitely cut into the market share for this facility. So I strongly oppose the creation of a new facility at this time.
The fact is that these are not Starbucks. You cannot put casinos on every corner. The people of Prince George's were very clear back in 2008 and 07 that they did not want a casino in their community. So the state made other plans based on that rejection by the people of Prince George's County. Maryland Live Casino will be the 5th largest casino in the entire United States. So our market area includes Northern Virginia, the District of Columbia, Prince George's, Montgomery counties. So our facility has been designed to attract this regional market. So the fact that Prince George's wants the economic development, certainly we understand that, but people have to understand that, again, these are not facilities that you can put on every street corner.
The southbound lane of the 295 Arundel Mills Boulevard exit will be closed throughout May for construction to accommodate the flow of traffic when the casino opens on June 6th. Over 24 religious leaders are demanding that Maryland lawmakers call a special session. Legislators did not finalize a budget before ending the regular General Assembly session in April. As a result, a default package including $500 million in cuts is set to go into effect on July 1st. Religious leaders say many of the potential cuts would hurt low-income residents and programs that serve them. Governor Martin O'Malley says he too would like to see lawmakers reconvene in May to reconsider the budget. And this is CTV News. I'm Rochelle Metzger.